Stay highly recommended place for exploring the Yorkshire coast. Rob. Exceptional spotless room, great food, nice staff, excellent. Wish all accommodation was as good. Excellent, excellent. Great traditional pub, great place to stay. Full of atmosphere. Great location. Armed with great hospitality, cleanliness and great food. Lovely traditional pub/inn. All the staff were lovely and welcoming. No issue with our 6-month-old and 6-year-old in the bar or restaurant. Food was great, beers were delicious and rooms clean and fresh. Definitely will revisit. Thanks for a great night.